students, how are you? I hope all are you good. So, students, today let me start GK Unit 1, Nature, Chapter number 1, Symbolic Word. Various words have been considered as symbols since ancient times. Description of some birds are given below. Identify the birds and write their names. Okay. It is considered as the symbol of peace and love all over the world. So, doubt. It is considered to be possessed by an ill spirit. Its hooting is believed to be a warning of death. तो ये है owl. It is considered as the symbol of disease and death. Nobody likes it. It to fly over his her home. Raven. It is considered as a sacred bird by the Americans. It is believed that the claws and bones of the bird have a power to drive away the illness. Eagle. It is a very lovely bird which is known for its sweet melodies. It heralds the spring season. It is considered as the omens of happy marriage. Number 5. Cuckoos. Cuckoo. It is a kind of mythical bird that never existed. Actually, it is believed to be a symbol of immortality. Number 6. It is considered to be the symbol of long life in many Asian countries. Crane. It is considered as a symbol of good fortune. Some folklore say that it is the spirit which delivers babies. So these are the birds. Okay. So students, the chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 2. Extinct animals. Animals that are no longer existing are called extinct animals. Read the descriptions and names their extinct animals by unsambling the word. Okay. Number 1. It was a yellowish brown zebra with stripes on his head, neck and body. Quagga. Quagga. Okay. It had a hairy skin with a sloping back and long curved tusks. Mammoth. Mammoth. It was a flightless bird found on the island of Mauritius. ये है dodo. This is dodo. Number 4. It was a giant flightless bird. It lived in pentagonal and stood 8 feet. PHORUSHACOS. It was much bigger than the cow. It had long horns that pointed forward. Yeah, Aurus. AURCHOS. It was the largest known carnivore of modern times and is also known as the Tasmania wolf. ये है thylacine. THYLACIN. So students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 3. Beautiful fishes. Identify these fishes and write their names. Okay. So let me start. Clownfish. Number 2. Bungai cardinal fish. Number 3. It is mandarin fish. Number 4. ये है emperor angel fish. Number 5, Moorish idol. Number 6, lionfish. Number 7, Lyratil anthias. Number 8, betta fish. Number 9, parrotfish. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 4. Read about some friendly insects and write their names using the help box. It eats pollen and flies from plant to plant, collecting them. It helps the plants to reproduce, so it keeps the plants alive. Bees. It looks like a helicopter. It eats mosquitoes that carry the malaria virus. Dragonfly. It eats animal waste, so farmers depend on it to clean up the animal waste is in there. It looks very much like a bee. It also eats harmful pests like the leaf hopper. Number 4, hoverfly. It is helpful and beautiful. It eats pests and is seen as the symbol of good luck. Ladybug. It eats slugs, snails, worms, and cabbage, maggots that live in the garden soil. Ground beetle. Its name sounds like it is on duty. It feeds on aphids and caterpillars. Soldier beetle. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 5. Why plants grow. Write the names of different places where plants are grown. A place where saplings are grown and sold, nursery. A place where grapes are grown. A place where trees are grown in a cluster, row. A place where fruit trees are grown, no, orchard. A place where plants, trees and creepers grow widely, forests. A place where cotton, tea, rubber, etc. are grown, plantation. A place where flowers are grown, garden. A glass building in which plants are grown to save them from bad weather, greenhouse. A place where the farmers grow crops, field, khet. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 6. Some plants have the ability to heal and cure diseases. Read the benefits of the following plants and write their names. Okay, let me start. It helps to reduce cholesterol. It also helps to cure cold and cough. Garlic. It is one of the oldest plant. It is used in cosmetic because it is good for the skin, hair and nails. Aloe vera. Number 3, the oil of this flower soothes the mind and the skin. It is used in massages and aroma oil. Lavender. It is good for digestion. Tea flavored with it help to get rid of nose and throat congestion. Ginger. It reduces swelling caused by an injury or damage to the tissue. It is also antiseptic in nature. Turmeric. It provides relief from toothache. It also cures cough and bad breath. It is also called the Indian gooseberry. It is rich in vitamin C and contains fibers and minerals. It is good for eyesight and digestion. Amla. It has a soothing and cooling property. It also acts like an antiseptic. It soothes the stomach in case of indigestion. Mint. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 7. We see different kinds of plants around us. Some plants look very beautiful, but they have deadly leaves, berries, petals or branches. Identify these deadly plants and write their names using the help box. So let me start. Glove. Number 2, rye. Number 3, black nightshades. Number 4, thorn apple. Number 5, oleander. Number 6, stinging tree. Number 7, rhubarb. Number 8, hemlock or arum lily. And the last one is hemlock. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 8. Some animals live in the snow regions. Fill in the blanks with the names of such animals using picture clues. Number 1 is also known as killer whale. The dash has huge hind feet, Arctic hare. Dash has broad, flat hooves which help it to walk on snow. Has broad, flat hooves which help it to walk on snow. Dash is a short-tailed weasel and a tiny, ferocious mammal. ermine. White coat of dash help it to camouflage itself from the enemies against the white snow. Polar bear. Dash lives in hearts and is easily recognized by its long tusks. Dash is a flightless bird as well as in excellent. The last one, Dash is brownish in summer but in winter it turns completely white. Snowy owl. Okay? So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 9. Some plants are very useful to us. Find out such plants, ticking right the correct option. Number 1, we obtain cocoa and chocolate from this plant. It is cocoa. Besides sugarcane, we can also make sugar from this plant. Quinine used to make chloroquine is obtained from this plant. Cinchona. Alexander Fleming obtained the first antibiotic from this plant. Penicillin. This coastal plant provides us oil and fiber. Eucalyptus. We get paper from this plant. Bamboo. The leaves of this tree are used to make oil, soap and medicines. Option B, eucalyptus. Dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.